Letters of the English alphabet. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. They have their own sounds. When we write, we use letters to make words. Riya's note begins with 2 words. Dear Mohit. There are 5 letters in the word Mohit. We say that the word Mohit has 5 letters. We do not say that the word Mohit has 5 alphabets. We write these letters in 2 forms. Small letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Capital letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Alphabetical order. The letters of the English alphabet are arranged in a fixed order called alphabetical order or ABC order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Vowels and consonants. There are 2 groups of letters in the English alphabet, the vowels and the consonants. Vowels A, E, I, O, U. Consonants B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Read aloud. Boy, pen, tree, hat, kite, duck, pilot. The letters in red are the vowels and the letters in green are consonants.